In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close financial year in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to lock your sales transactions so nothing in your closed year can be changed by mistake. This is a simple process, but it's an important control for clean books, consistent reporting, and smoother audits. First, open your Zoho Books account and head to the Accountant section. You'll find it in the main navigation panel. This area contains the tools you use at period end, and it's where you manage controls that safeguard finalized data. If you don't see Accountant, make sure you're working in the correct organization and that your user role has permission to access Accountant features. Once you're in the Accountant section, select Transaction Locking. This page is designed to help you freeze activity in specific areas of your books. Locking prevents edits, deletions, or new entries in the locked scope, protecting your historical records exactly as they stood at the time of closing. Now, locate the sales section on the Transaction Locking page. This is where you'll lock all sales-related activity for the financial year you're closing. When you're ready, click Lock Under Sales. Think of this as flipping a switch that tells Zoho Books everything in this area is final. A small prompt will appear asking you to enter a reason. Type a clear, concise explanation so there's a transparent audit trail. For example, you might write year-end close completed along with the financial year. This reason is helpful for anyone reviewing the history later and for your own reference if you need to confirm why the lock was applied. After entering your reason, click Lock to confirm. Zoho Books will apply the lock to sales transactions, and you should see a confirmation or a visual indicator that the lock is active. From this point forward, users won't be able to create, edit, or delete sales entries covered by the lock, which keeps your closed financials consistent with your reports and filings. A couple of practical notes as you wrap up. If you work in a team, communicate that the year is locked so everyone understands why changes are restricted. Use a consistent reason format each year so your audit trail stays tidy and easy to scan. And remember, this lock is a safety feature. With the right permissions, you can revisit transaction locking later if you need to adjust your controls. That's it. You navigated to Accountant, opened transaction locking, locked sales, entered a clear reason, and confirmed the lock, securing your financial year in Zoho Books.